Hi there! In this video, I'll walk you through how to export products from Odoo to your WooCommerce store using the Ksolves WooCommerce Connector. First, open your Odoo dashboard. From the home menu, go to WooCommerce Store, then click on Instances. As you can see, this instance currently has 104 products synced. Let's add a new product and export it. Head back to the home menu, go to Sales, then Products, and click Create. Fill in the product details like name, category, and pricing, everything you normally would. Once you're done, click Push to WooCommerce. Select the instance, choose your export options, and hit Execute and Close. Now let's sync this with WooCommerce. Back in the WooCommerce module, click Process, then select the related queue job. You'll see the job has been created and processed automatically. Let's verify. Open your WooCommerce site, go to Products, then All Products. And there it is. Your newly created product is live in WooCommerce. Now, what if you want to export all products at once? No problem. Go to Odoo, then WooCommerce Store, then Instances, select your instance and click on Specific Operation. Choose Direction, Odoo to WooCommerce. Operation, Export Products. Export Type, Export All. Click Execute and the queue job will start. You can track the status as it processes each product. Once it's done, your entire catalog is now updated in WooCommerce. And that's it. Fast, simple, and seamless product syncing from Odoo to WooCommerce using the Ksolves connector. Need help or want to see more features? Check out our documentation or contact us anytime.